What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you the things that you can do with this Nano Banana. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you may have already familiar about a lot of AI tools out there that can help you to do the photo editing or image editing, such as the ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and maybe the Quen AI, and also the Seedream, and a lot of AI tools out there. And you can also do the same thing into this Nano Banana, which is the one of the best model to do the to create or maybe the generate the picture and also do the photo editing, guys. And if you would like to try this Nano Banana for free, so you can start to visit this Google AI Studio, and don't forget to do the login first with your email to get this access trying this Nano Banana. And this is the look of the homepage of this Google AI Studio. And after that, you can start to try this Nano Banana. And after that, you can also upload the upload the picture if you would like to do the photo editing. And for example, I would like to change the text of the image, and I will remove this from first. And basically, I would like to change this happy birthday words into the, let's say, happy anniversary, let's say. For example, you can try to put your simple request or prompt. Change the text of happy birthday into happy anniversary, and also keep maintaining the original photo. Photo like this, and you can continue to click run down here and kindly wait for the result. Basically, or based on the experience I had before, to generate and do the photo editing usually it will take 15 seconds. And also make sure that your connection is good, and after waiting for it's even less than 15 seconds, and you will see here that the text of the happy birthday can easily transform into this happy anniversary, guys. And if you find out that the text is kind of not really satisfied you, don't worry, because you can also rerun this section or this prompt in this section or this section. For example, I will click this section and kindly wait for the another output down here, guys. So you can start to build the conversation with the AI. It is very okay if the previous or the initial conversation was not really perfect. You can keep building it until you find the perfect picture that you want, guys. And I guess this is the better text that has been generated and changed by this Nano Banana. And the next thing that you can do would be change the condition or the, let's say, the midday into the night. And for example, I will upload another picture over here, and I will put the simple prompt, change the situation from the midday into the night. Keep the photo remain original. And after that, you can continue to click run, and kindly wait again for the output down here. And you can also do the exploration with this Nano Banana, and don't worry, because you can also download the picture that you feel that is already satisfying like this, and it will be officially saved into your device. And let's see the result out here. And the sky is over here, can officially change into the night, and also and at the additional thing like the lamp in the school, and also create the a little bit more darker than in the midday. So this is good, guys. You can try to change the situation from the midday or from the afternoon into the night. And the next thing that you can do with this Nano Banana is change the outfit of the picture. For example, and this section I will try to upload the two picture. Let's say I will choose this picture as the reference, and I will put the prompt, change the outfit of the working man in the office into the Viking outfit style. The Viking outfit is following the photo reference, and also I will try to keep maintaining the same position of the working man like this. And after that, you can continue to click run. So basically, you can start to put two photos as your references, or this guy will have the same outfit as this man, and let this Nano Banana to create the picture or change this picture or change this outfit of this man to become this one or this outfit. And after waiting for the process, so this will be the result, and you will see the color is just the same. And you can also rerun the picture if you find the pictures not really satisfying. For example, I will click this one and kindly wait for the result or the output down here. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to explore more with this Nano Banana to do the photo editing or create your picture. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.